So first of all, listen. Hello, LSP units. Listen, I have a plan. Like we'll divide two units of us. Okay, like who is better at shooting, go to the big roof, that roof. Okay, and rest of the LSPD officers will push through the back sides. There's the back sides, There's a stairs and storeroom at the back side. We'll go enter for there. Okay, from there. How's the idea?
It's
That's okay.
good, yeah.
Yeah, like but we don't have enough units, so I don't think so that that will work. I don't know. Let's see what happened. Should you enter?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, like take Mr. Apex Great with you. Mr. Kazukotle, are you sleeping here? Okay, okay. Please go with Mr. Hydra Burton to the big roof, okay, and wait for us. Okay.
Let's go, Hydra. Where? Which one room? Which room?
We have the Haley, that big roof, that big
Which?
roof.
With roof.
You don't know the big roof of the just fly a drone. You can see there is a big roof, the red color.
There is two rooms. Which one you want
Don't
to
two
see?
big roof. There is only one big roof. That one, that one. Wait, wait. I'm like
Where
recording.
are we going? On the roof.
Yes, the Haley units go to the that roof. Okay. I don't know why it's not
Okay, let's
working.
go. Where is Hydra? Where are you?
Okay, we have enough units. So please.
Hydra, where are you?
Get in, get in, get in. Fast, get in. Some people go in alley, some people get in the cars.
Hey, why are you ramming, man?
Not the bridge, bro, not the bridge, no worries. We are going down the bridge.
क्या बोले?
We are going below, down the, behind the store, okay? Can you see these two guys who are running? We need to take those two peoples, okay? These two peoples, we need to take them. Yeah, I need this guy.
Hello,
This guy is the
strategy
main
क्या?
guy. This
Strategy
guy
क्या
is the
है?
main guy.
What is
Okay,
strategy
this
of
guy
your
is the
guys?
main guy, and this is the second guy. We need to take these two guys, and it's over. Okay.
PDW on top, PDW on top.
Take your shotguns out. Take your shotguns out. Okay. Do you have shotgun? If you have shotgun, use shotgun. If you don't have, just use air. Okay. Yes, guys, come here. Come here. Yeah. Heli, guys. We will enter from this side, and we will go from like back side of store. Okay. Get ready. We are going. No. Five. Who's the other guy? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Five, four, three,
I
two,
will
one.
come
Let's
with
go.
you.